I have a statement by the President of the United States. The liberation of Kuwait has begun.
On February 17, 1991, during Operation Desert Storm, also referred to as the Gulf War, a U.S. Army AH-64 Apache helicopter squadron experienced something dreadful. A friendly fire led to the deaths of 2 American service members and left 6 more of the soldiers injured. Although a dreadful experience, that wouldn't define the legacy of the Apache helicopter. The AH-64 Apache's finest hour would come during the same operation. Literal Hellfire missiles were released on Saddam Hussein's main battle tanks and personal carriers occupying Kuwait. This attack destroyed over 6,000 main battle tanks, including the T-72, T-62, and T-55, hundreds of armored personnel carriers, or APCs, trucks, and others, single-handedly changing the cause of the mission. While CBS TV's 60 Minutes questioned the reliability of Apaches in the early 1990s, the Apache achieved thousands of combat hours during the Gulf War and reported commitment readiness in the 85 to 90%. The AH-64 made history on the opening night before engaging Saddam's armor. The modern Iraq War started with a night strike on January 17, 1991, when 4 helicopters of MH-53J Paved Low 3, along with 2 Apache flights, attacked. 8 AH-64A Apaches of the 101st Airborne Division launched the first attacks of Operation Desert Storm. Also known as Operation Normandy, this mission was codenamed after the 101st Screaming Eagles of World War II. Within 4.5 minutes, the Apaches knocked out 2 important Iraqi radar stations. Consequently, each pilot's primary goal was to engage as the secondary aim for Apache teaming immediately above and beside. This heroism served as one of the defining moments of the Gulf War. Now, before we move on, dear viewers, we'd like to hear from you. Share your topic suggestions for future USBOT videos in the comments below. What military aircraft, vehicles, or technology would you like us to explore next?
Go! Get to the chopper!
From fighting in the rugged mountains of Afghanistan to taking out enemy tanks in the Gulf War, the U.S. Apache helicopter has proven itself as one of the most powerful and dependable helicopter gunships in history. Known for its pinpoint accuracy and deadly firepower, the Apache has only improved over time. Its latest version, the AH-64 Apache Guardian, introduces even more impressive capabilities. But what role did it play during Operation Desert Storm in 1991, and how does it compare to similar helicopters worldwide? Join us as we explore how the U.S. Apache helicopter keeps clearing the skies.
Now, if there's one thing you can be sure of, it's that nothing is more powerful than a young boy's wish. Except an Apache helicopter. An Apache helicopter has machine guns and missiles. It is an unbelievably impressive complement of weaponry, an absolute death machine.
The AH-64 Apache has been the mainstay of the U.S. military's helicopter attack force for over 30 years. The story of Apache started in the 1970s when the U.S. Army realized the need for a dedicated attack helicopter to replace the AH-1 Cobra. This was followed by a joint composite development program between Hughes Helicopters, now Boeing, and Bell Helicopter. Out of all the prototypes developed by Hughes, the YAH-64 came out victorious, having the best performance with excellent firing capacity. The AH-64 Apache began operation in 1986 with integral new characteristics, including a tandem cockpit, the ability to navigate at night, and great avionics systems. Not only was it designed with many interchangeable parts, using composite materials and a digital fly-by-wire flight control system, but the design also proved to be reliable. Another major strength of the Apache is its flexibility. Despite these perks, it has since undergone several upgrades. The first variant of Apache was the AH-64A, which rolled out in 1986. The second improved variant, the AH-64B, came with even better sensors, avionics, and communication systems. This variant hit the market in 1997. The model AH-64C came into operation in 2000, with improvements to firepower and targeting systems. Yet, a major step forward can be pointed to introducing the AH-64D Longbow in 1997. This variant was equipped with Super Eagle radar and modern tow missiles, making the Apache undoubtedly one of the best attack helicopters. The latest Apache series, the AH-64 Apache Guardian, was launched in 2011 featuring increased sensor, propulsion, and communication systems. In its years of service, the AH-64 Apache has served in several wars, such as the Gulf War, the Afghanistan War, the Iraq War, and the Civil War in Syria. The vehicle is extensively deployable, highly lethal, and very flexible, which makes it an operational staple in contemporary warfare. The AH-64 Apache is a next-generation attack helicopter famous for its excellent flight characteristics and features. Let's examine its tactical specifications. The helicopter's length is 58 feet, the rotor diameter is 48 feet, and the height is 12.7 feet. Thus, its small size allows it to maneuver effectively. It weighs 17,650 pounds, has a top speed of 227 miles per hour, and has a range of about 300 miles. With a service ceiling of 21,000 feet, the aircraft is suitable for efficient operations depending on the climate. Another vital component of this Apache design is the armament. At its core, the Apache's armament includes a 30mm M230 chain gun mounted beneath the fuselage, capable of firing up to 625 rounds per minute. The helicopter is also fitted with 4 hardpoints on its stub wings, allowing it to carry a mix of AGM-114 Hellfire missiles for anti-armor missions, Hydra 70 rockets for area suppression, and even AIM-92 Stinger missiles for air-to-air engagements. The Apache's performance relies significantly on sophisticated avionics and sensors. Some of them are the AN/APG-78 Longbow Fire Control Radar, the night vision goggles compatible cockpit, an infrared countermeasures system, and an integrated data link for situational information on the battlefield. These technologies allow for targeting and accomplishing the mission. For power, the Skid is equipped with 2 turboshaft engines of the General Electric T700 GE701C brand, which develop a power of 1,265 kilowatts each. It controls flight stabilization and general aircraft responsiveness since it is an automatic flight control system. The Apache's crew and capacity are laid out in a way that will make it achieve optimum results. The aircraft design also includes a 2-seat tandem cockpit configuration, allowing maximum coordination between the pilot and co-pilot. This diverse armament suite makes the Apache highly adaptable to different combat scenarios, from close air support to anti-tank warfare, making it a mainstay in modern military operations.
I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
The AH-64 Apache helicopter has built a reputation as a powerhouse in modern warfare, admired for its versatility and combat capabilities. First seeing action in the Gulf War, the Apache played a critical role in disabling Iraqi forces, showcasing its value in battle. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, this helicopter can operate in low visibility, making it a powerful asset for nighttime missions. Loaded with weaponry and precision targeting technology, the Apache's Advanced Target Acquisition Designation Sight and Hellfire missiles let it strike with accuracy, reducing the risk of unintended damage. The Apache has proven essential in numerous military operations, including providing air support in Afghanistan, where it helped ground support manage insurgent threats. Its combination of adaptability and firepower has made it a cornerstone of U.S. military action. In Iraq, Apache helicopters were instrumental in both reconnaissance and escort duties, often tasked with identifying enemy forces and protecting ground troops. Enhanced sensors and urban combat technology gave them an edge in these environments, ensuring that they could detect and engage threats efficiently. During the Syrian Civil War in 2011, the Apache's advanced technology supported coalition forces against ISIS by locating concealed enemies and offering close air support. Across its years of service, the AH-64 Apache has proven itself in varied environments and complex missions, earning a status that is a benchmark for precision and innovation in air combat.
Take her away, Ian.
Yeah, take it away, Ernie. It's going to be a bumpy ride.
The AH-64E Apache Guardian is the most advanced variant of the legendary Apache attack helicopters. During development, this edition relied on the success of the technology of earlier variants. The Guardian was built on the already reliable features, adding brand new technology to make it more useful in combat situations. The AH-64E's primary enhancement area is sensors and targeting systems. The longbow fire control radar effectively guides and tracks targets, while the avionics support smoothly integrates with other aircraft and ground equipment. Coupled with the improved sensors, the AH-64E has better propulsion and maneuverability. New T700GE 701D engines have enhanced the output and control of flight in different terrains. Integrated communication and data links are another major improvement in the AH-64E. Aviation information technologies include communication systems that enable Apache pilots and ground troops to exchange information, thus increasing awareness. The AH-64E Apache Guardian has many advantages in comparison with its analogs. The upgraded model introduced in 1997, the AH-64D Longbow, had better sensors, but did not come with the improved propulsion and maneuverability characteristic of the AH-64E. The AH-64C, that entered service in 2000, had more firepower, but did not have the communications and data link capabilities of the AH-64E. The AH-64E Apache Guardian's performance enhancement is notable. The powerful sensor system improves awareness of surroundings and accuracy and effectiveness in targeting enemy forces, thereby increasing its lethality. Greater cooperation with ground troops and upgraded jamming capabilities enhance the guiding system's survivability. The Guardian boasts some of the coolest specifications and performance any combat helicopter can offer. These increase its place among the world's most modern attack helicopters, offering unbeaten functionality and effectiveness in the field of battle. This helicopter is designed to deploy quickly at 227 miles per hour and sustain missions for 300 miles. It is also armed to the teeth with a 30mm M230 chain gun cannon, Hellfire missiles up to 16, and Hydra 70 rockets up to 76, which means a high accuracy rate in terms of destructive force. The crew compartment is arranged to provide good comfort for the two aircraft pilots. This setup promotes successful mission implementation with the assistance of both pilots' expert work. The Guardian's other features, fire control radar AN APG-78 Longbow, night vision goggle-compatible cockpit, infrared countermeasures system, and integrated data link for real-time battlefield information, make it a force to be reckoned with. These advancements and reliability have made the Apache the envy of other countries. But are there any equivalents out there? The first on the competition list is Russia's Ka-52 Alligator, equipped with some impressive features. The Ka-52 can attain a maximum speed of 230 miles per hour and has a maximum range of 360 miles. Its armaments include a mean 30mm cannon, Vickers-1 missiles, and S-8 rockets. They feature a coaxial rotor design for better control and are equipped with high-technology sensors for precise firing. Next is China's WZ-10 attack helicopter. The WZ-10 styling has a speed of 217 miles per hour and an endurance of 250 miles. It comprises 30mm armor, HJ-10 missiles, and the TY-90 rocket attack. The aircraft is designed in a modular form of maintenance, and the avionics make it easily compatible with Chinese military technology. Among the different types of helicopters considered, the AH-64E Apache remains one of the most effective platforms thanks to its backed-up sighting systems, pinpoint firing accuracy, and ability to communicate with other platforms on the same mission.
What's a dream house for Elon Musk? Like some Tony Stark type shit?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you got to have the dome that opens up with the stealth helicopter and that kind of thing, you know.
So, how long do you think the Apache will remain atop the chain? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to tell us what topics you think we should cover in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating and fascinating content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.